In this video, I'm giving you the magical words that will speed off your manifestation process. Are you ready for it? Because when you start using these words, this phrase with your dreams, goals, and desires, manifestation will start happening super fast. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, then subscribe now and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation, and I'm so happy and excited to share something very awesome with you. And those of you who are new here, hi, I'm AJ. I'm a law of attraction coach and I help people manifest their goals, desires and dreams by using the law of attraction and power of subconscious mind. And in this video, I'm giving you a very powerful, a secret formula that when you start using certain words and some phrases, your power of manifestation go really high. But before giving you the words or the phrases, I want you to understand one thing, that words have power. Yes, words have power, and the way you are using every single word, that's how you are creating your manifestation. In the universe, you are letting your thought vibration go in the universe and attract the right people, resources, opportunities, things into your life. Now, every single words that you are saying has a frequency in it, it has a vibration. And if you are continuously using some words, then those words becoming more and more powerful. So people who are not achieving their goals, desires and dreams, or people who are struggling in their life, unconsciously, because nobody do it consciously, they unconsciously or subconsciously, because of their programming, they keep using words which are opposite of what they desire. Like they most of the time they keep talking about their pain, suffering, negativities, what is going wrong. They keep telling themselves how unlucky they are, why they don't deserve to achieve their dreams, why it is not possible for them to find their perfect soulmate or dream job or becoming rich or becoming successful. Whereas people who are highly successful, they are on the opposite side. They keep talking more and more about what can go wrong, how can things will work right. If you ask them how they are doing, they always feel great. They say, wow, I'm doing awesome, amazing, magical, phenomenal. So when the successful people, they use the high sounding or positive words, though some people find them like they are egoist, or some people consider them like they are showing off or they are talking too much, but it's not true all the time. They know the power of words. That is why they use the positive words as much as possible, so that their life will keep going positively forward. Whereas people who are struggling in their life, they keep talking more and more and more about the negative things, what is going wrong, where they are lacking, why they are not going to be successful. So even if they are kind-hearted, even if they are nice, but they don't achieve their desires, they don't achieve goals. And this thing is not something new. Let me tell you, this wisdom or this secret is already there in most of the religious teachings or most of the ancient teachings for thousands of years. But often people have forgotten it. Like for example, in our Hindu tradition, and most of you can relate to it, and I believe the similar examples or similar wisdom is there in other religion and other tradition as well. In the Hindu tradition, we have a goddess called Goddess Saraswati. Goddess Saraswati is considered to be the goddess of wisdom and knowledge and wish fulfillment. Most people knows her as the goddess of wisdom and knowledge, and usually students worship her, artists worship her. But at the same time, she is the goddess of wish fulfillment. And there is a idea that when Goddess Saraswati reside in your throat, whatever you say it get manifested. And there are a lot of stories in our scripture and in our Puranas, in our different books, that there are so many stories when sometimes it is depicted that Goddess Saraswati resided in somebody's throat, and whatever that person has said, it manifested instantly. Now, many people consider it as myth, or many people consider it as just story in the religious book or mythology. But most people forget about the power behind it. All these stories or all these scripture have been written in a certain way that people can understand and implant in their life. So what all those stories talked about, or when it is said that if Goddess Saraswati is residing in your throat, means whatever you are saying it getting manifested, it means your thoughts get generated here and the words comes from here. So when you say any words with lot of feelings and impact and say it repeatedly, continuously, again and again and again, that words gain momentum, that has the power to get manifested. Something get manifested even within a daytime, within 24 hours, like we have done many experiment on law of attraction experiment, where you have manifested things in 24 hours, 48 hours. And then some other things may take time, like a week or month time or maybe few months time. It depends upon the momentum. But the words that you are speaking from here, the words that is coming from here, if that has a feelings and if that is strong, then it has the power of manifestation. That is what our scripture and our religious teaching has been teaching us from thousands of years, but most people have forgotten the essence. I believe the same teaching is there in almost in all kind of religions, all religious teachings, but many people have forgotten. Now it is time for us to understand it and use it in our life. And remember, all the successful people, they knows it and they use it. And now it's your time, because ultimately you deserve to achieve your goals, desires and dreams. So when you are not achieving, if you observe, most of the time you are talking about the negative things or what can go wrong. Now I am going to give you a very powerful phrase. If you start using it about your dreams and goals and desires every single day, your manifestation power will go 100 times stronger. And the phrase or these magical words is, I love how it feels when. And then you say your desire. I love how it feels when. Means whenever you say this phrase, I love how it feels when, means you are saying that you love when this thing is happening. And when you are saying it again and again, you are generating a positive momentum, you are generating a positive energy. So every day take some time and say your dreams. Don't just say that I want to be rich, or I am becoming rich, or I am manifesting my soulmate, or I am achieving my goals, desires and dreams. But use this magical phrase in front of it that say, I love how it feels when I am becoming rich. I love how it feels when I am manifesting my soulmate. I love how it feels when I am having a magical relationship. I love how it feels when I am clearing that exam or getting my dream job. I love how it feels when I am creating success after success. I love how it feels when I'm losing weight and becoming fit and healthy. I love how it feels when I got my perfect medical report and I'm healthy and fit. So you must note down these magical words or this powerful phrase. I love how it feels when. And then you talk about your dream, then you talk about your dream and desire, what you are manifesting or what you are achieving. Because when you say it, you feel a different energy and you infuse the power of feelings, you infuse the power of words, and that's where magic started happening in your life. So from right now, I want you to give it a try and every day take some time and sit comfortably and keep saying this like an affirmation. Whatever you desire, add this phrase, I love how it feels when. and you can write it somewhere where it will be a reminder for you. And every time you're talking about your dreams, keep saying it. I love how it feels when I'm achieving my goals, desires, and dreams. So right now, I want all of you to do the first thing is, first you tell yourself that I love how it feels when. Say your dreams, and right now go into the comment section, write down your desire, that I love how it feels when. Write your desire, because that's how you register it inside your subconscious mind. You let the universe know and you let me know, because this is how you are speeding up your manifestation. Are you excited about it? I'm sure you are. Now it's time for you to achieve your goals, desires, and dreams. And if you want to learn many more processes like this, you can join my 22 days powerful program, Make Your Life Awesome. Check the link in the description section and start your journey today. And those of you who are new here, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you won't miss any notification for awesome videos like this. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is Awesome AZ.